Watch this woman turn a traffic stop into a chaotic arrest at her home after she decides to drive off on police.
Frankfurt 622 just took off on me.
An officer in Frankfurt, Illinois conducted the stop around 11:30 p.m. on April 28th after the suspect improperly used her turn signal. She immediately becomes hostile when approached.
Hello, my name's Officer Bagley. Nothing crazy, reason for the stop. It's not in your eyes. It's gonna stay right here, okay?
Sir, I'm telling you, it's in my
Oh, okay. You want me to keep it here then? Is that
I
okay?
don't know where you gotta just like.
Well, I gotta see inside your vehicle. I gotta make sure where you're in.
No. Why do you gotta see in my car?
Because I have to make sure that you're not grabbing a weapon. Ma'am,
Well, you pulled me over.
Ma'am, there's no need to get angry,
No, I'm
okay?
pissed because you have. What's your probable cause to pull me over?
Because you didn't use your turn signal within 100 feet of turning
No.
left. 100%.
You were at the gas station.
I was.
And I knew you were gonna pull me over.
That's not why I pulled you. Okay.
For some bullshit.
Okay,
So
I'm
now-
recording as well too.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So I didn't use a turn signal. I knew you were behind me. So when did I not use a turn signal? I knew from the gas station you were gonna pull me
Okay.
over on some dumb.
I'm just gonna give you a warning and we can get out
I
of here,
don't need
okay?
a warning. I know how to drive. I know how to use
Okay.
the turn signal. You wanted
All right.
to pull me over on some dumb shit because you were bored at the gas station. I gotta
No,
get home.
no, wait, please do not leave, okay? Do not leave, because then it's gonna escalate, okay?
No, it's not gonna.
It is. I can
You
guarantee
don't
you.
have probable
I
cause
do.
to have me here right now.
Okay, can
You
I?
do not have
Here.
probable cause to have me here. Get that out of my face.
Okay, I'm gonna, here.
Get it out of my face.
It's not in your face, ma'am. Okay.
You don't have probable cause. You don't need anything from me. I don't need anything from you. I have to be somewhere and I'm having a bad day.
No.
So I got to go.
I 100%.
Okay.
You're not free to go right now.
No, you.
Can you put the
why
car
are
back
you,
in the park?
No. Why are you
Okay.
holding me here?
So, I'll explain it to you.
I know my
So-
rights, so I'm
okay,
going to tell you
no,
that. First of all, this
100%.
is recorded.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
I know
recording.
100%
Okay.
all my rights.
Would you like to talk to my supervisor? Would
Yeah.
you like me to get him out here? Can you
That's
put the
what
car
need
in
to
the
do.
park and
No,
I'll call him
you
out
can meet me
here?
at my house.
No.
Because I'm.
No. Frankfurt 620, she just took off on me.
The officer calls for backup and heads into his vehicle to follow the suspect to her home.
She turned left onto Maple Street.
320, are you following?
I'm attempting to. I lost her. I don't know where she went.
Frankfurt 326, we're all going to be out at full vehicles in the driveway.
Hello. How you doing, sir? Who's the driver of the Nissan right there?
The Nissan.
The black one.
The black one, that's my stepdaughter.
Is she here right now?
Yes, I believe
In the
so.
back unit behind. Is there like another?
Police!
Frankfurt police, open up! We know you're in there, Angela! Open up!
Are you banging on my door?
Come on, let's go. Yeah, that's her.
Get out. Nope. Angela, come out here and talk or things are just going to get worse.
No, they're not going to get worse. How dare you knock on my door like this?
Come outside.
No. I don't have to go outside. No, you listen to me. First of all, he followed me from the gas station looking for a reason to pull me over, okay? And then he said, I knew he was behind me.
Right to take
Oh,
out.
no. I asked him if he had probable cause. He said no.
Her multiple- I explained to you multiple times.
Play the tape. Play the tape. Are you grabbing me?
Let's go.
This motherfucker is grabbing me.
Come on.
Mom! Mason!
What is this?
Are you grabbing me, motherfucker?
Angela, come on.
Mason! Do you see this? Record this right now. Get your fucking phone. Get your
Don't do
phone.
that. Don't do
Listen
that.
to
Hold on.
me.
We need to talk.
Get your phone and record this.
Angela, it's all being recorded. You are under arrest.
You're a man. Manhandling.
Then stop giving
You're
us a
three
reason to.
men manhandling me right
Then listen.
now.
Then I'm telling you. Then stop what you're doing.
Stop.
And now you entered my home without a warrant. Mason,
We went.
get
We
your
told
phone.
you were under arrest.
You did not tell me
You're
that.
under arrest for aggravated
No.
resisting.
Mason, are you recording this?
Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, stop resisting.
Mason, are you recording this? They entered my home unlawfully.
You just broke your refrigerator.
Of course I did.
Well, you're hanging on to it. You just breaking it.
Sir, stop touching me.
Don't do that.
I don't have a gun. You just touched my boob.
Ma'am, I'm trying to grab your
You shouldn't be touching me. Where's the female officer? Where is the female officer?
All right, we're gonna go outside.
No, we're not. Mason, are you recording this? Did you see them grab me? Get off of me. You're in my house and you shouldn't be in here. Get out of my house.
You're gonna be resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're unlawfully in my house.
Angela,
You entered my home
Listen to me.
unlawfully. I know my rights.
Okay, listen to me.
Just so you know, Mr. Bailey, Monroe.
Can you listen to them for a second? Just listen to
No.
them. Just
How do you
answer
expect me to listen to you? Look at the way you guys charged into my house
Charge in.
after a 125-pound female. Is any of this necessary?
It is. It is.
Where's the female officer?
Why do we need a female officer? We're not searching.
Because you just 3 male officers, are you recording this? 3 male officers came in, grabbed me, manhandled me to pull me outside because you didn't get your way.
My way. No, ma'am, this isn't about anybody's way. This is
Do you
about
have a warrant to be in my house right now?
Yeah.
Did anybody let you in my house right
My
now?
supervisor's gonna be right here. You can talk to him all you
Get
want.
out of my house.
Ma'am,
You're not.
committed a
No.
crime.
I committed a crime.
Yes, ma'am.
You're committing a
Did
crime
you
right
flee
now.
from this officer?
Krupa,
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Krupa, Officer Bagley.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Sergeant.
Oh, you're in my
Hi,
house
sir.
too. My sick that ender
Hi.
without a
Can I
warrant.
talk to you, please? I want to try and figure out what's going on here.
Okay, can you have him get his hand off of me?
Okay, let go for a second, okay? As long as you talk to me.
I want them all out of my house because they're here
Okay.
without a warrant
Are you arresting her or
and
not?
without
Yes.
permission.
Okay, turn around, you're under arrest.
No, where is the female officer?
There's no female officer here.
What are you doing in my house?
What charges do we have for her right now?
What charges do you have?
Okay, all right.
Suspend the license.
You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Don't resist,
Don't-
ma'am. You're gonna get another
listen,
charge.
I don't have a bra on.
I'm not grabbing
Okay,
at your.
hold on.
You already did in many, many ways.
Ma'am, this can be resolved, okay? We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
By grabbing me, by 3 men rushing in my house to grab me
No one's touching you right now.
right now.
Okay.
3 men charged after me
I-
in my house.
I'm explaining to you what's going on here, okay? Okay. Are you his son? Are you his son? Okay. Let me explain to you what's going on. This officer here tried to pull you over.
Yeah. Why did you pull me over?
Turn signal not visible for 100 feet before turning left.
Okay.
I explained that to you multiple
Okay,
times.
now
Okay.
listen to this.
Okay.
I was in the gas station. 2 of them were sitting there. He followed me out when I went to. What made you follow me out?
I didn't follow you out.
You followed me out. We talked about this right there. Your camera's on,
We
right?
didn't talk at all.
Okay, ma'am, hold on.
We did.
Okay. Did you know that this officer tried to pull you over?
He did, but I seen him following me, so
okay.
why wouldn't I use
Okay.
the turn signal?
After he pulled you
I
over-
knew you're predictable, Bagley.
Ma'am.
You were bored, Bagley.
Ma'am.
And you followed me out of the
Here's
gas
what's going
station.
to happen here, okay?
I put my turn signal on because I knew you were behind me.
Okay, ma'am.
I asked you, am I under arrest? Do you have a reason? You said,
Son, you can record this. We all have body cams. So it doesn't matter if you record it or
Keep-
not.
turn it off
That's fine. I have no problem with
and
that.
then record again just to make sure it's still
Okay.
rolling.
Ma'am, what is your first name?
Yeah, yes, Bagley.
I don't know your
Okay,
first name.
I'm supervisor, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, okay?
Okay,
Did this officer try to pull you over?
Yeah, he did try to pull me over, but you let him tell you what happened because I'll tell you.
Did you leave the scene after he
I
stopped you?
asked him, do you have probable cause? No.
Okay, all right, I'm convinced. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Okay? Just, hey,
Give me a haircut.
this doesn't have to be hard, okay?
You're in.
Just cooperate. You're under arrest. Okay, just relax.
Stop resisting.
Mason,
Okay.
stop resisting.
Yes, ma'am.
You're manhandling me.
We're not hurting you. We just want to
try and put the handcuffs
just
on.
peacefully,
This is all
please.
not necessary.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Ow!
Okay.
Get the f- off
Okay,
of me.
listen. We're not going to hurt anybody here, okay? I'm making sure that you're okay, all right? He's not hurting your wrist. Please put your hands behind
How
your
do you
back.
know what he's doing to me? You
I'm-
guys have invaded
I'm Rock.
every right
Please
possible.
cooperate. We'll work
Please
through out of the station.
cooperate. Get the f- out of my
Put your hands
house.
behind your back, please. Please. I'm asking you nicely.
No, I don't need
Okay,
handcuffs.
please. Okay, put your hands behind your back. Go ahead.
This is some f- bullshit.
Ma'am, I know you're not happy about this. We're trying to
I'm not
cooperate with you.
happy.
Yes.
You guys charged in my house. My wrist hurts. I have no pride.
Please don't move. We don't want you to get hurt, okay? Cooperate
If you
with us.
give me a
We'll
haircut,
cooperate
I
with you.
just pissed my pants.
Okay?
You guys,
You
I
won't
swear
get
to-
hurt as long
No,
as you
you guys, I
cooperate.
swear to God, I know my rights, so you're gonna
Okay, just stay right here.
got me f***ed up.
Okay? I need you to take a deep breath here, and I'm going to tell you what's going to go on, okay? You're being charged with fleeing and eluding and driving on a suspended license, okay? We're going to take you to the station. You're not going to go to jail, okay? We have to process you, and we're going to work with you, okay? I want you to cooperate with me. I'm going to be professional with you, okay? I know you're upset.
I'm upset.
You're very upset, and I want
I'm fucking heated.
Okay, just take
Get
it.
the out of my house, you fucking curly-headed
Okay,
faggot.
we're past that already.
No,
okay?
we're not.
Okay.
You might be, I'm not.
I'm gonna walk you out here as soon as you want to take a couple deep breaths here. Just relax.
What? Close that door, Mason.
Nobody's gonna get hurt. We're gonna work this out. We're gonna work this out, and you're gonna be able to come home tonight. Okay? Okay?
Mason, Novelli.
Okay.
My attorney, Novelli, is in my phone.
Ma'am, are these handcuffs okay? Or are they too
No,
tight on
I
you?
told you they're not okay.
Okay, let me check real quick to make sure they're not too tight. I'm gonna put my finger in here. You're on camera right now.
Novelli, he's in my
Okay,
phone right there.
okay, ma'am, I'm putting my finger in here. They're not too tight, okay? I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay, I'm gonna walk you out. We're gonna go through this house,
Give my
okay?
phone. Make sure you have it.
Okay, okay. This is gonna be worked out, okay? Just
It ain't gonna work out for you. I
okay,
promise
just stay
you
with me. We're gonna walk nice and slow, and we're gonna take care of you at the station. Do you need anything out of this house? Do you need any information that you need to get to him?
You got my phone.
Okay.
Get out of my house. What are you doing in here? Staring at my underwear, you weirdo?
Can I ask how old you are, son? Okay, okay. Is there anyone else here in the house?
Don't answer questions.
It's okay. I just want you to get home safely. Is somebody going to be here when we take you back home?
Why do you even have to take me to begin with?
Because you're being arrested for fleeing and looting and driving on a suspended
Mason,
license.
give me
we're
water.
gonna walk this way. You can get water at the station.
I
Okay.
don't want your water.
Okay, then we're gonna walk this way. Let's go.
Mason,
Okay. If you want another sip of water, go ahead. Go right ahead. It's okay.
Mason, get there, dude.
It's okay.
Novelli, where's my phone at, Mason?
All right. We're gonna give this.
I got it.
I got it.
What? Mason, record
You
this.
can't have this on your property.
Mason, give him my phone.
Okay.
Call Julie right now.
Let's go. We're gonna
Give
walk
her the
out.
number to Novelli. Tell her they busted into my house and 3 guys grabbed me. 3 officers rushed
Okay.
into my house and pulled me out.
Okay. We're
Is
gonna
that
walk out.
Julie?
We're gonna go this way. Come on, man.
Make sure you call her.
Let's go. We're gonna walk out.
Get my hair out of my bag.
Let's go. We're going. We're going. We're walking. Okay. What do you need? What do you need?
Julie, 3 officers are in my house
Okay.
right now, bro. They barged in my house.
Okay,
Fucking
ma'am.
manhandled me to pull me out.
Let's go.
Call Novelli.
What's your first
He's
name
gonna
again?
give you the number.
Okay.
I don't know. Girl.
Ma'am, we're
I'll
gonna
talk to you in
go.
a second. Mason, get my hair
Okay.
tie out of my purse.
Okay. Let's go. We're walking out. Let's go.
Don't call
Please,
Novelli yet.
please walk. Let's
Tell her
go.
which lawyer to call.
Let's go. We're walking.
Send her the video.
We're walking. Take your time. I don't want you to hurt yourself. I'm trying to be as professional as I can with you, okay? I appreciate your cooperation.
Now, can you let me go because my nose itches?
We're gonna-
Can you let me go because my nose itches? I'm a female. Treat me like one.
Okay.
I'm a female. Treat
What do
me
you
like
need?
one.
What do you
I need
need?
my nose itched, and I don't want you to itch it.
Does anybody have a tissue?
I don't need that. I need to itch my nose.
a latex
You can let my arm go.
I can't. I'm sorry, but I can't. We're going to go to the station. We give you the Kleenex, everything that you need at the station, okay? Are your wrists okay? I don't want you to sit
No,
this-
I'm trying to tell you my nose itches.
Okay, can I check your hands real quick to make sure that you have no injuries to your wrists? Okay, your wrists are good. Very slowly get in the squad car so you don't hurt yourself. Okay, nice and easy. Okay? I'm going to meet you at the station and we'll have a talk, okay?
You don't
Thank
wanna
you.
talk to me.
Thank you.
I told you there. You didn't have probable cause. You were me, which is harassment.
Okay.
It's all recorded, right? And that
Absolutely.
recorded.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
4 guys to charge in it. You're a
Have a seat on the bench, okay?
The suspect was charged with resisting or obstructing a peace officer, driving on a suspended license, and fleeing or attempting to elude police. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage.